Hey everyone, so today I'll be checking out this new coin called Goldiga or Goldiga. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but anyways, it's a really new coin and it is very easy to mine. So I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to mine it on Windows, and I'll include how to solo mine and then also how to mine on a pool. Uh, and then, first and foremost, I'm going to give you a little introduction into this coin. And so we'll go ahead and check out their white paper. So this Goldiga is a fork of Monero. And so it's going to be a privacy coin, and it's also going to use the RandomX algorithm. Now, the twist is they have a hash rate limitation per miner. So this makes it much more fair to the lower end devices that are mining on the network. And so by putting a hash rate limitation in place, this kind of ensures that like a large mining entity won't come and just like take over the entire network. Just kind of hoarding all of the rewards for themselves. Um, so basically, this in theory should make it profitable for smartphones, older laptops, older processors, and kind of give have it be like a fair playing field for the higher end devices as well. So they have a hash rate limitation, device inclusivity. Because it's RandomX, you're mainly going to want to mine it on your CPU. Although you can mine it on your graphics cards, it will be less efficient and you won't get as much hash rate. So yeah, powered by RandomX, and it's a privacy coin as well. So they use CryptoNote and Monero's Ring CT. Um, and then they have robust mechanisms to reject blocks mined by hash rate violators. So I believe what it does is basically whenever you submit a block, you have to also submit your reported hash rate as well. So this kind of prevents somebody from coming in with, like 100 kilohashes and, trying to submit a lot of blocks at once. So, anyways, they're working on creating a DAO governance, and so basically, this is one Goldiga is one vote, and so this is done through the blockchain to sort of vote on proposals and the project's future. So basically, yeah, hash rate declaration. So miners include their hash rate in every block submission, and it's on RandomX. And then PC miners must run a local node in order to solo mine. Now, if you're using a smartphone or something like that that may not be able to run a node, they have a pool as well. So I'll show you how to mine on the pool as well. Um, so it does have a pre-mine, 10%. So the total supply is 21 million, and they've got a tail emission model. So the block reward is going to slowly decrease. That kind of promotes like scarcity and encourages you to mine early. So the team in development, they get 2.1 million Goldiga, and then they've got an ICO, and I believe that's set for like 15 cents per coin. So early investors and I believe exchange listings. So that's another 10%. And then the airdrops are 5%. So they do community airdrops and stuff like that. And then the DAO is also another 5%. So 70% of the coins are reserved for miners. And the initial block reward, I think the chain started on March 7th. It's March 13th. So the initial reward is 40 coins, and I believe it's down to like 39 and a half coins right now. And the target block time is 2 minutes, and then the rewards have every 210,000 blocks. So now I will kind of show you how to get started with mining. So you'll head over to the download page, and once it loads, you'll see that here you can download your node software. So I'm going to show you how to do it on Windows, and I will probably make another video in the future showcasing how to do it on Linux. But for Windows, you're going to see here your Windows generic and then your other Windows one. So this is for older CPUs and that don't necessarily support AVX2. And then this is for your recent CPUs. So you're going to want to check your processor. You'll go over here, and as you can see, I'm running a Ryzen 7 5700X. So this would count towards the recent CPUs. So I've already downloaded it, but you just click that download button, and then you go over here, and you'll want to extract. And so then it's extracted, and you'll see right here you have your node and then your wallet. So we'll go back here, and I believe we'll go over to the frequently asked questions, and here is how to start solo mining. So to solo mine, yeah, you'll need to pick the latest binary that matches your CPU architecture. That's on Linux. On Windows, it's kind of more generic and broad. But anyways, you will want to, let's see here. Okay, yeah, so what you'll want to do first is you'll want to open your port 48080, and this is to sync faster with the node. This kind of allows other computers to connect to you and send you blocks and stuff like that. So I'll put a link in the description for how to port forward. It's kind of different on every router, but you'll want to do that first. And then next, you will want to just go ahead and run your Goldiga node here. And so it'll start connecting, and as you can see, it's synced. So usually that takes a bit of time, but I did this beforehand. So once it's synced, you'll see that you are now synchronized with the network, and you can start your wallet. So we'll start that as well. And I don't have a wallet for this one yet, so I will just name it test. And it doesn't show up, so I want to create a new wallet. And I'll put in a password here, and I'll confirm it again. And then this should create your Goldiga wallet for you. And so there we go. Now it's loaded. I'll pick my language, English, and perfect. So here's your recovery phrase. You're going to want to copy that, and I'm just going to create a new text document and label it. I'm not sure, just like password or something. And then we will paste the keys or the secret phrase into there, and we'll save that. And we'll close it. So now we can see here that we have our wallet address here. Okay, so we'll copy that, and we'll go back to the website here, and we can see that we can, let's see here. Yeah, so we'll just go start mining, address, and then X, where X is the amount of threads that you want to use for mining. So the hash rate limit currently is 950 hashes a second, which is almost a kilohash. So this is kind of perfect for lower end devices. And I'm not sure if the wallet or if the mining software limits this, but we will just put in start_mining, and then we'll paste our address, and then I'm just going to run maybe 4 threads. So, and then we'll hit start. And we should be able to see shortly that the miner threads were started. And then if you want to check your status mining, you'll use the status command. So we'll go back here, we'll type in status, and as we can see, we're running 327 hashes a second, and the network hash rate is 304 kilohashes. So it's a good amount of miners on already. And to get a kind of more detailed view, we'll do mining_status right? So we can see our thread count, that random X algorithm, our mining address, and then our expected daily rewards, right? And then monthly, and then yearly. Um, so we are well under the limit. So if we mine a block right now, it will go through, and we won't get flagged or have the block rejected or anything. So I'm gonna shut this down now. We just do stop underscore mining, and I will show you how to run on the pool. So for the pool, I believe we need to go to smartpool.goldi.ga, right? Um, and so this is the official pool, and that's my actual address. So I'll put that in the description as well if you want to donate anything. But for now, I will replace it with the testing address, right? So we'll see our hash rate is 0, and we'll want to download XMRig. And we'll go back here to this. We'll see how to start with the official PPNLS smart pool. So I'm using XMRig because I find that it's the most optimized for mining, and we will use this IP address here. So we will simply go here and we'll open up our config.json file, and we will replace this, the URL, with smartpool. So we'll copy that, and then we'll go here and we'll paste it in. And then we will take our mining address from the wallet. I just have it convenient here. And we will put that in for your wallet address, right? Once I can get it to work. There we go. So we'll paste that in. We'll leave the password as X, and everything else should be good. There are some optimizations you can make here, but yeah. So after that, we'll save it, and we will start up the miner here. So we'll run as administrator. Oh, I forgot to set the algorithm here. So we will set it's going to be random X. So I'm just going to use, I think, one thread. I think that's going to be enough because this is a lot more efficient than solo mining. So we'll set just one thread, and we will go down here and we will set our algorithm to RX for random X. And then we'll save it again. We'll go back and we will click run as administrator. So here we go. So we can see we're connected to the pool. And for XMRig, we check our hash rate by pressing the H key. We can see our summary by pressing the S key. So we'll give it a moment to sort of gather the hash rate here. And as we can see, I'm at 787 on one thread. So already getting pretty close to the limit here. So for most higher end machines, you're probably just going to want to run one thread in order to not be flagged by when you end up submitting a block. So if we go back to the smart pool, we can see our hash rate is updating. Now this is kind of over time, so eventually it will level out and show you the hash rate that you see on your mining software. So other than that, I think that's pretty much it. There we go. It updated again. So your minimum payment, I believe, is 0.33. Yeah, 0.33 Goldiga at the pool. And if you mine a block solo, you will get the full block reward. Whereas this, it'll be calculated by the pool hash rate versus yours. So I think that's about it. I hope y'all enjoy mining this new coin. And if you have any other questions, please leave a comment. And I'll put links to the Discord and their X profile and the official website and Block Explorer in the description. So anyways, thanks for watching.